Welcome back to day 15 of your English Shadowing Challenge. Today, we're learning 20 useful phrases to order a pizza. Simple, real, and perfect for everyday life. Shadow each phrase in 3 paces: very slow, slow, and medium. Let's build your confidence, one phrase at a time. I'd like to order a pizza, please. I'd like to order a pizza, please. I'd like to order a pizza, please. Can I get a large pepperoni pizza? Can I get a large pepperoni pizza? Can I get a large pepperoni pizza? I want one medium cheese pizza. I want one medium cheese pizza. I want one medium cheese pizza. Could you make that a small veggie pizza? Could you make that a small veggie pizza? Could you make that a small veggie pizza? I'd like to order 2 pizzas for pickup. I'd like to order 2 pizzas for pickup. I'd like to order 2 pizzas for pickup. Can I add extra cheese? Can I add extra cheese? Can I add extra cheese? Can you put mushrooms on that? Can you put mushrooms on that? Can you put mushrooms on that? I'd like half pepperoni and half cheese. I'd like half pepperoni and half cheese. I'd like half pepperoni and half cheese. No olives, please. No olives, please. No olives, please. Can you make it with thin crust? Can you make it with thin crust? Can you make it with thin crust? Do you deliver to my area? Do you deliver to my area? Do you deliver to my area? I'd like this for delivery. I'd like this for delivery. I'd like this for delivery. I'll pick it up in 20 minutes. I'll pick it up in 20 minutes. I'll pick it up in 20 minutes. How long will the delivery take? How long will the delivery take? How long will the delivery take? Can I pay when it arrives? Can I pay when it arrives? Can I pay when it arrives? What sizes do you have? What sizes do you have? What sizes do you have? Do you have any deals today? Do you have any deals today? Do you have any deals today? How much is a large pizza? How much is a large pizza? How much is a large pizza? Can I see the menu, please? Can I see the menu, please? Can I see the menu, please? Is gluten-free crust available? Is gluten-free crust available? Is gluten-free crust available? Great work today! You just completed day 15 of the Shadowing Challenge. Keep practicing these phrases until they feel natural and automatic. And don't stop now. Join me tomorrow for day 16, where we take your speaking confidence even higher.